T-bone steak. Looks lovely. I'll buy a few slices. This is a lovely piece of T-bone steak, right, which I bought from Birmingham today. I've got quite a few, so we're going to have a evening meal on Friday. Me and the kids, get them into steak. Well, they actually like steak, so might as well. One of these pieces, let me show you how big it is. There, one of these pieces cost £3, and in a steak shop that would cost you easily 35 quid. Yeah, so what you do, I'm adding a bit of pepper. Adding a bit of garlic granules. Salt, massage, and salt.
For the sun when it sets and gives us the night, for the moon and the stars shining so bright.
Anyways,
Alhamdulillah,
there you go, massage that in.
Alhamdulillah, all praise to Allah.
You can check on my YouTube channel how to make tusashli, how to make steak, how to make curry, how to make turkey. I taught my wife how to cook curry as well. Recently it hasn't improved a lot. Thanks to my belly. There we go. And we'll start cooking in a moment. This is my grill that I will be using. So now this is on. Add a bit of oil, which is normal cooking oil. There we go. Just a generous amount. And that's. Heat that up. And then finally you will use butter and garlic. You can use rosemary if you wish, but I think rosemary is too consistent with making boiled vegetables. See you in a moment. Look at that. With that, got a bit of garlic. So there you go. So now that's going to cook away. We'll infuse all the butter around this beautiful piece of steak around there. We want it cooked medium well done. It's a lovely piece of steak. So you just do that while I do this. Always clean as you go. I'm a very clean chef.
I would like to see you clean my cooker afterwards.
With this butter, you put it on top, and it melts away beautifully. The garlic infusion. Can you take a picture of that? That looks beautiful. That is beautiful.
Videoing.
No, you're videoing. Now, if I can turn that around for a second. Splash. Okay. A little bit of gas up. Let that cook away. The juice. Smells good. Very garlicky. It's from the garlic granules. Why I like garlic? The end. Let's see when it finishes. Right. Here we are. Final product. MashaAllah. Can't wait to taste it.
For this beautiful deed.